at that little face. Oh. Oh. Hi. Hi, Mama. Hi, pretty girl. What are you doing? What are you doing? Tella, what are you doing?
Jumping.
You're funny.
Mama, look how I'm going to jump now. Daddy's friends.
Say morning to the thieves.
You saw that how you jump, Mama?
Say morning to the thieves.
Good morning, Faith. Mama, you saw how big you saw me jump 3 bunch.
Hi faves, good morning, good morning, good morning, good afternoon and good night. Of course I am up getting my morning routine going with my fam bam. I'm getting Tella ready for school and then I'm gonna get myself and Sarah ready to go drop him for school. Baby's already off to work and Sarah is up and in her room. What you want to say to faves?
I want to say to Faith that today I'm going to school and tomorrow I'm going back to school and tomorrow I'm going
No, the next day after tomorrow.
The next day after tomorrow is going to be Tuesday.
No, tomorrow is Tuesday and the day after tomorrow is going to be what?
Wednesday, but Wednesday I have swimming lessons.
Exactly.
But today I'm going to school.
Exactly.
But I'm not going to
You're not going to what?
look. It's blooding.
Okay. Go now. Sit now.
And
Sit. Come closer.
also when it is first day, but the 29th of November is going to be picture time for me though.
It's gonna be picture day.
Yes, but
Yeah.
the 14th of November I'm going to go to my son's birthday party.
Yes, you're going to your friend's birthday party on the 13th.
Yes, but
How you remember all of these things? Huh? How you remember all these things, you smart boy? You have such a good memory.
also,
Wait.
Mama,
Come, take your finger
can I tell you
out.
what that's called?
What?
That you don't know what that's called?
What is it called?
It's called mitan.
Exactly.
Yes, and you know what mitan?
What?
Mitan is when we are in the snow,
Come.
we
Come.
take up our mitan and you put it on our hand so our hand do not have snow on it.
Exactly.
And if we have mitten under hand, we can take off the snow.
Exactly. Look at my girl. Where is she? Say good morning.
Good morning. Good. Good. Gilly. Mama, is it today is going to snow?
No. Hopefully you guys are having a good day. Stay loved, stay blessed, stay motivated. Hopefully you guys will have a productive day and get things done today. I am so tired. Here we go again. I am so tired. I am going to drop Ty to school. I'm gonna drop Ty to school and come right back to sleep because I know Sarah going to fall asleep on my way back. So I'm gonna go right back to nap. No, you can go ahead and speak, sir.
And but I'm going to school because
oh, the senior.
oh no. Oh, now they're seeing me.
Okay.
So fifth. Now
You saw Papa this morning?
yes. And today I'm going to school because if I have meetings, they can't reach the end. Our fingers can't reach the end of the meetings.
What do you
But
mean?
if we put a glass, our finger can reach the end, but not a finger can reach the end.
Okay, understood. Understood, sir. You want some of Mama green juice?
Nothing. I'm going to drink my own green juice in my room.
Okay. Let's share something else. One cup of goodness before I hit the road.
This is my green juice. Mama, and you know with what I make my green juice? With some cucumber and
Come have some of Mama own.
take some of my own.
It's yummy. I prefer mine.
I prefer both.
You prefer both, okay. Alright, that's done. Give me some energy this morning. Time to go bundle up my girl and myself and head out to drop Tyler to school. So, what do you say to Fave? You guys?
Later!
Have a good day at school, okay?
Okay.
Alright, and you be nice to your teacher and your friends, right?
Every day when I go to school, I'm nice.
Very
So
good.
you don't need to tell me that.
What? Okay, but it's good to give you a little reminder, okay?
Okay.
Alright. That was a shocker. I wasn't expecting that.
Mama?
Let's go. Alright, we're all ready to go.
To be.
We're all ready to go.
When is our
Ready?
trigger
Ready,
to-
ready? Let's go.
Mama, when's our
Alright, we're all
trigger-
ready and heading out. Tyler, stop talking. Ready to go?
Yes.
Alright, let go.
Mama, when's
Go.
our
You guys, I thought that Sarah was going to come back home after dropping Tyler and stay sleeping because she normally falls asleep on her way back, which she did. But as soon as I put her down, like 10 minutes later, just about when I am falling asleep, she wake up and she wouldn't go back to sleep. So the zombie mama is up and trying to make me some breakfast. So I'm making breakfast right now. Might as well I just get up to and try to find some things to do, which I have a lot to do, but I honestly don't have any energy. and today's not working out day for me because I worked out yesterday. My body's not at everyday working out as yet, so I'm on the same schedule as Vape for now. But yeah, I'm here in the kitchen making some breakfast. I'm making fried plantains, and I think I won't eat any egg this morning. I'll go for some, just a piece of toast with this plantain. And I'm gonna make some Milo tea. Milo tea. Jamaicans call everything tea. I'm gonna make some Milo. You guys, it's the second time I put Sarah down here today on her back and she rolled on her tummy and I missed it. My girl is on the go. You're on the go? You're on the go? I can't believe you're on the go. You're rolling like crazy and pushing away like crazy. Huh? You're a big girl now. Yes. Yes, you're a big girl now. Look at her. Oh my God. You're just growing so fast. You know that? You're a big girl now. Yes, you're a big Look at that little face. Look at that little face. Let me zoom into that little cute face. Look at mama. Look at that little face. Oh. Oh. Hi. Hi, mama. Hi, pretty girl. Oh. Hi, sweet girl. Oh my gosh, you're adorable. Hi, sweet girl. Hi, sweet girl. Hello. Hello. Hi. You make my cheeks tired with smiling how gorgeous you are. You know that? You're just rolling all on your own. You're a big girl now. Yes. Oh, look at you. I can't believe you're rolling, like rolling, girl. And pushing. Huh? You're pushing and rolling. Yes. You're a big girl. You're so happy. If I stay here, I won't get nothing done. So I'm gonna leave you. Oh, you guys, it's a rainy day. It's raining outside. I don't know if you guys can see. It's wet out. But it's raining. I need to replant this flower. Ever since I got back from vacation, I want to do it and I haven't got around to it as yet. I'm going to take off all the ones that's hanging down here. I'm going to take out this one because insect is eating it and it's really no good over there, and just replant these. This flower is one of the easiest flowers to catch, so I just break them off and stick them in this one and it catch just like that. Where you going? Go back up on your carpet. Where you going? I'm jumping in the kitchen right now to get it clean and figure out what for dinner for the fam bam, y'all. Comment down below and let me know what you guys cooking for dinner today. Whenever you're watching this, just let me know what you're cooking for dinner so I can draw. Hey mama. Hey mama. You guys, let me show you her again. She's so adorable down there. Look at her down there. Look at her down there. Hey, mama. Hey. Hello. Hello, little tongue. Little tongue. You're a little tongue girl. Guys, my girl is taking a nap. And while she's doing so, I think it's a perfect time for me to prep to get dinner going, so I can have some time to relax a bit before it's time to pick Ty up from school. You know, on the cold days I try to make some soup, some vegetable soup each day. So I am prepping broccoli, zucchini and pumpkin for soup today. So Tyler will be happy to have soup. He tells me that, Mama, every day I want soup. Every day when it's cold I want soup. So I'm prepping that for soup, and then I'm gonna do some shrimp and do sweet potato in the oven, and that should be for dinner for today. Shrimp is all done. Alright, veggies finished cooking, and I'm just gonna let it cool a bit before I blend it. So I'm just gonna leave it here. Let me show you guys my girl sleeping. My little sleeper. Oh. Oh. Hi, princess. I thought you were sound asleep. Huh? I thought you were sound asleep. You little trickster. You little trickster, just like your brother. Hi. How was that nap? How was your nap? Was your nap good? Yeah? Was your nap good? You're still sleeping, huh? Look at that cute face. Hi, princess. Hi. Hi, sweet girl. Oh, look at you, gorgeous girl. That was a good nap, wasn't it? You got a good little nap, didn't you? Yeah? Mwah. Mwah. Who is home?
Good morning.
Good morning. You just wake up?
Yes.
Ty, really? You're telling the face good morning.
Yes, because the sleep at school.
Is it morning? Did you sleep at school?
Yes.
When?
Today.
Choo-choo?
Yes.
Okay.
Good morning, Phil.
It's not morning, Ty, it's night.
Good night, Phil. I'm going to bed.
Actually evening, it's evening. Say good evening, Faith.
Good evening, Phil. I'm awake. It's morning.
Okay, have your soup, please. And so will I. You guys, it's freezing outside. Oh my gosh, because it's raining. It's so cold. Sarah is awake. Sarah, take a little nap. What, the soup? Blow it, blow it. You don't go like this. You go like this. Like when they're having tea. It's so cold outside. So having soup right now for Thai is perfect. And for myself. Let me cool it a little bit more for you. So you guys, this was what dinner looked like. Vegetable soup and baked sweet potatoes and shrimp. You guys, look who is still awake.
Not me.
My girl is still awake.
It's after 11 p.m.
11. She's here
And
giggling.
she looking a great shape. Ready to have a party. You gonna have a party?
Sarah, look up there,
She
so.
going to party?
Sarah, look up. Hey, I was she playing with down there. Oh, she's
Ooh.
here, Dado. Is this she trying to catch?
Ah, sorry.
Bless you. She finally see you guys. The party of 3 going on right now.
That was a good day. You have a good day today? Yeah, the day was long. Wake up from 6 a.m. Going to bed to 11 p.m. Have a full long day, and we have some nice quality family time. So yeah, we watch TV. We spend like 2 hours together, and that's things
That's a luxury
that.
for us right now.
Oh yeah, that's things that.
I mean, alone time
We-
without Tyler.
That's thing that we
just wake up.
between the husband and his wife, just spending quality time. Doesn't matter what you do. You can just watch TV. You can play video games. Yes, play video games. And yeah, just do things together. That's the main, and that's the key. You agree?
I agree.
Do you agree about video games part?
That too.
Yeah, so you're gonna learn how to play video games to play with me? Yeah. And yeah, spend quality time, spend time with your, as a husband and wife, as a boyfriend, girlfriend, anyway, just the fact to be together and not one of each other in one side of the room and the other one in the other side of the room. That's important. Sarah is up. I hope she could
She
sleep.
better.
So yeah, we're both tired, but the day is not finished. We have to give you first.
The expressions of today.
So what's gonna be the expression of
The
today?
Jamaican expression for today is gimme way.
Give me away.
Gimme way can mean
Gimme.
two things.
Give me 5.
No.
No,
That's completely
not this
different.
one.
What do you think gimme way mean?
Give me away.
Yes.
Wow, give me away. Because I think about give me 5. Give me away. Give me away. Give me the way. Like when you are in the car driving, you're lost, and you ask somebody, "Give me away, please." Hey,
No.
what Jamaican say? They say like
No.
general,
Wait.
give me away,
I didn't
please.
say gimme way. I said gimme way. Not
That's not the same.
W-A-Y, W-A-H.
Same
No,
thing.
W-E-Y.
So it's not what I
Not
say.
W-A, no.
Give me away.
Give me away means to give me away.
Give me a way of doing things.
For example, if somebody
Like I need help.
listen, no. No. If I give Sarah up for adoption, means me give her away.
Oh, away.
Yes.
Oh, you never give Sarah away.
I'm just saying, I'm just giving you an
Don't give her
example
away.
of give me away. If somebody say, my mother give me away when me did little, means her mother give her away when she was a child.
I'll be there with you, Sarah.
And the next things for give me away can mean, for example, if I want to surprise you and Tyler go ahead and tell you what I am about to surprise you with before I give you the surprise, I can say, Tyler, give me away. You want Tyler, give me away.
Okay.
So if he tell you before I give you the surprise,
Okay.
give me away.
Oh,
So
that's
can
just
do
come
it.
to the French word, the French expression of the day.
Okay, what is
So
it?
that's gonna be a word. The word is cafard.
Kafa.
Yeah, what is cafard? Cafard is a roach. Is a roach?
Roach.
Yeah, like the big one,
Mm-hmm.
big cafard. But when somebody cafard is like cafard from cafard, it means something completely different. It means, for example, I say a secret to Tyler, and Tyler gonna say the secret to his mom. We say that he cafard. So that means like saying something that he's not supposed to.
Snitch.
Right.
Okay, so
It's
that have to
from-
do with a roach.
No, it's just the same word that we use. It's cafard.
Okay.
You have two meanings, but the kafar
Okay,
meaning is
okay.
not, the
I
expression
see, I
meaning is
see,
not
I see, I
what
get
you're
it.
gonna find in the dictionaries. The-
Get it, I get it.
Say it.
Kafa.
Say in kafar.
Sometimes. No. Anyway, you
Remember,
guys.
she said sometimes. Remember,
Anyway,
she
you
said
guys.
sometimes. Then when she gonna tell me,
Honey.
why don't tell me your secret? Sometimes.
After you're not secret, you're secret.
Yeah.
Anyway, you guys, there you have the Jamaican and the French expression of today. You get it?
Make sure you get it. Give me away.
Yeah.
Now, don't give me away. Don't give.
Me I go give away.
Don't
Don't
give-
come feed. Me I go give away.
Don't give away,
Me I
Tyler.
go give away.
Alright.
No, me I go keep Sarah and Tyler, but me I go give you away.
Alright. Alright, me I
Anyway,
go
you
kafar that to your mom.
Anyway, you guys, give this video a thumbs up, comment down below, subscribe if you are new to our channel, and make sure you turn on your notification. Make sure you turn on your notification bell. Catch up and keep up with the fam bam. We love you guys, and we'll see you guys
Tomorrow.
tomorrow. Say tomorrow. 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 What's your bottom lip, Lord? If you don't give me pity them, not me give them the bottom lip.
Bye.
Bye, guys.